Hey guys, Jose here with the Chester Pot Company, and today we're here to talk about our private labeling program, CPC ID. CPC ID gives you the opportunity to take your brand, your look, your logo, put it on any filter, membrane, system, or any component we carry. It's all about taking your brand to the next level and securing customer loyalty. Private labeling is essential in making your brand visible to current and potential customers. We can take any membrane manufacturer, Filmtech, Pentair, GE, Global Aqua, and private label it with your look, your logo. Now your customer will associate the brand they recognize. We can take any filter, private label it, it's yours. You can either provide us with a label or we can walk you through the design process, package it up, ship it, and it's on its way. One of our biggest benefits is that we not only private label, but custom built systems. That's our business. We can do anything from high efficiency, alkaline, RO, custom design, fabrication. That's what we do. Having custom packaging shows you care about your business, but most importantly, your customer. We can pack any items that include systems, float assemblies, or install kits consisting of anything from custom cut tubing, fittings, or filters from industry favorite components. Design it once and forget about it. Customization is what we're all about. We use our well-vetted vendors, we do everything in-house, and we're proud of it. With our marketing options, we offer services for private labeled products such as high-resolution photo images, promo videos, and water efficiency testing. Working with us gives you access to our vetted resources which can provide additional marketing tools such as web design, digital marketing, and graphic design. Without effective marketing strategies in place, the efforts towards creating label and packaging go unseen. To start your CPC ID project, visit chesterpaul.com and click on the blue CPC ID tab on the top of the screen. Simply fill out one or more of the questionnaires and a representative will get back to you in 1 to 2 business days. Take your company to the next level with CPC ID. Your brand, your look, your logo. Once again, thanks for watching.